2023 Toyota 4Runner. With less than 14,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.